lives are getting fuller and fuller. The new technologies have brought us more experiences, more friends, more unforgettable moments. We can have hundreds of images and videos of every day in our lives. But although we create more content, we actually have less and less. The most important moments in our lives are probably lost, spread out over thousands of emails and hard disks. That's why we're presenting My Life, an app for saving those moments privately, just for us, and reliving what we want, whenever we want, without being socially exposed. My Life is easy to access. Just download the app and click on its icon to open it. You can register using your email address or Facebook account. Your photos, videos, and messages appear in a timeline, a cascade of memories of the most important moments in your life. Click on a piece of content to enter the display mode, and then scroll to view that image and those relating to it in detail. To upload a photo or video, just locate it in the library of your mobile, or directly from that of the camera, and then select it. Enter the date and attach any tags you wish. You can also add a text comment. Your content has now been included in the timeline. My Life respects your privacy to the maximum because your life is yours and yours alone. The app lets you share your memories with the people you choose. For example, those who were with you at the time. You just have to tag the person and they'll be sent a message. They can then download the image into their timeline with just one click. You can even use the same app to chat with them about these shared memories. My Life is available for iOS and Android, and it's totally free. An essential app in your mobile, one with which you'll never lose your most cherished memories, even if you change or upgrade your phone. My Life. Keep your memories alive forever.